Welcome back to the official CoinEx channel. My name is Jack, and today we're going to see the second week of this Bitcoin analysis that we're doing weekly every Friday for you, completely free. So hit that subscribe button and let's go in. And like I said last week, we have some interesting levels at 94 and 92. I actually bought at 92, like I said in the past video. And we can see how we had a huge liquidity grab that it literally flew the same day from 92 back up to 97. Okay, so that was a 6% that we won there. Obviously I'm still holding the position, but I must say that just now I'm a bit concerned because we have lost two market structure levels. Losing two market structure levels isn't interesting at all if we're on the buying side, but I must say as well that Bitcoin needs a retracement, like I said before, because we have levels that need to be supplied. Okay, like levels like this one down here. Just now it needs to be supplied because we have huge amount of imbalances on this zone where prices moved too fast for the actual market to balance itself. So we must keep in mind that we could reach easy the 70 level again. Okay, we won't be afraid because of that, because we have a huge resistance down at the bottom here. So this level could be a super buy and it could literally fly from down here straight back up to here. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. But we must keep in mind as well that if it goes down to that level, we could have some drawdowns because we are going to have a downtrend. Because why have we got a downtrend? Because we've had market structure crumbling down here. If we take it down to a 4 hour, we'll be able to appreciate even more how things have been going down. And at the moment, we can see how we got the market structure levels on the downtrend just down here. Okay, we can see a huge respect on this zone here. And it didn't make a new low, so this isn't actually a market structure, but it's still a psychological level because it's the 100k level. As we've lost that 100k, obviously the chances are that it can go lower to 90. As we saw down here, it reached 92 and it will probably go down to 90. Okay, so we must not be afraid. It's something that's got to happen. Part of the market needs to have a retracement. But obviously we've got to be concerned, and if we do trading like intraday trading, we can have some nice shorts at the moment, okay? Because obviously, meanwhile it respects this market structure, we can have some nice shorts. And as well, we must take in mind that looking at the 4 hour and the 1 hour market structure is perfect to actually find good entries on the uptrend again, okay? Because obviously market structure, first it breaks in 1 minute, then it goes to breaks 5 minutes, breaks 15 minutes, breaks 1 hour, breaks 4 hours, and breaks a daily, okay? So we must take in mind that if we see market structure breaking in 1 hour, it will probably break market structure in 4 hours, and it will crumble back up again, depending as well on the news on how things are going as well. As well, I must mention that Russia literally just banned mining cryptocurrencies. So for the next 6 years, they won't be able to do any mining at all in 10 regions. So we must take that as well in mind, that it will probably affect, and it's probably already affected once the news came out 2 days ago, and 2 days ago was literally the 24th, so the 24th would be more or less here. So it could affect it or not, we'll have to see. We must remember that the year is coming to the end, so obviously happy Christmas and happy New Year to everyone. Hit that subscribe button, and we must remember that Trump is coming in January. Obviously the Trump movement has already happened, because obviously when the news came out, the market moved as it had to move. So in January it won't move as much. Obviously we can expect some movements, and as every month on the first Friday on every month, or nearly every Friday, we have a huge news that is the NFP, that is the non-farm payrolls, and obviously this moves the dollar a lot. But I mean a lot. So we could expect some drops even lower of where I've said. Okay, so we're going to expect moves down here, and obviously until we don't get a break on the uptrend, we can't expect price to move up. Okay, we must wait for market structure levels to break to be able to get up. And in the rainbow chart, we are just about to hit the buy level again, and these are great levels to buy, as you know. But must taking care of that, I personally like to wait for the market structure to break upside again to actually enter completely the market. Okay, because obviously, like I said, the way that I do trading is I buy the levels and I buy it with a percentage of the capital. So I don't put 100% in this 92, I put 20% here, and then I go lower with another 20%, another 20%, and then when I get to a level that this is like maximum level, I'll wait for the price to do a retracement and break market structure in an uptrend to continue buying up. Okay, because obviously buying the dips is great, but as well buying the market structure levels when it goes back up is as well a good idea. We can use both, but remember, this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. And if we take a quick glimpse at the weekly time frame, we can see that this is not a downtrend yet, and it can come down to levels what I mentioned before. It won't start a downtrend on the weekly, and this is the most reliable one that we can see, until it comes down to 59k. Okay, if it passes this level here, then it'll officially be in a downtrend, and we can probably see it in lower levels like 30-40k. Probably it'll be difficult as well, I must mention, because this level here, the 70k, I think there's going to be a huge liquidity grab here and it's going to fly up again. But we must just keep an eye on it, because obviously, you know, the market can go anywhere. We just do an analysis and see where we've got more probabilities to win. And if we look at the last pivot, the indicator that, you know, it predicts the future, looking at what's happened in the past, we can see that's something that could probably happen as well. And we could literally have a liquidity grab at this level here, and then have to have a liquidity grab right at the top. Personally, I'll be selling at the top, you know how I work. And from there, it could drop down as the last peak up before it starts to crumble down. So I have to keep in mind in that, because obviously we're seeing signs of break of a structure in the daily time frame, and this is already quite ensuring that it can go down. So obviously when this happens, a lot of people want to leave the market, but everybody wants to leave the market at the best place. So it could be the last peak to actually sell and then start crumbling down. So we must keep an eye on that. Obviously, remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope these analyses help you with your daily study, and I'll see you next time.